Hi guys, welcome. Today we will discuss about strings, the indexing of strings. Um, Let us consider a string I love Python. The indexing is two types: forward indexing and backward indexing. The forward indexing starts from 0. The I is given the index 0 here. Let us print the let us execute this and let us print what it means. Here I is given as output since we are taking index as 0. In this is syntax of index, the string and square brackets and giving the number of the index. And let us consider backward indexing. Backward indexing is nothing but it starts from n and n is given index initially -1. Let us consider how it works. Here backward n is given as -1. For -1 n is given. Similarly, if we want to select the fifth letter, let's do it here. I starts from 0, space is 1, L is 2, O is 4, O is 3, V is 4, and E is 5. The fifth index is E. Let us execute. We are getting E as output. Similarly, for -4 indexing of -4, let us start from N as -1 and -2 is O, -3 is H, and -4 is T. Let us execute this. It is giving the output as T. Slicing, next concept is slicing. We should remember the slicing will be given same as indexing only, but here there are three inputs: start, stop, and step. If we give z and start from 0 and ending is not given, it consider it as length of the string. If we didn't start, we didn't give any start here, so it consider as by default as 0. And here length of the string is 13 only, so it is giving will print a whole string. If we want to start from second index and end at stop giving the value 4, it will ends at 4 in the fourth index. The substring will be printed. If we start with the second index and rest, if we didn't mention anything, it gives the end of this, goes up to the end of the string. If we didn't give anything at the initial, it will by default take as 0 and execute this. And step is nothing but here, we can consider that here we can consider how step works. Initially, if we give the step as 3, it will skip the two values. In I as 1 index is printed, space and L are skipped, and O is printed. Similarly, B, E, and are skipped, and space is printed. In this manner the step works. Let us execute this. If we give step as 2, let us consider step as 2 and execute again. In here it will skip only one value. I is considered and space is skipped. L is considered here, so it is giving the L, and O is not considered and V is considered. In this way the step works. Let us consider to the next, go to next topic, the string methods. Let us consider string all is well, string 2. Here the first inbuilt function is upper. When we give upper as a function in this manner, it will print the upper cases of the string. Means it will convert all the lower cases into upper cases. So all is well is in capitals, all capitals. We consider lowercase, it will in reverse of the upper, it will convert all is well into lower cases. Since by default the string is lower, so it's showing the same string. Capitalize is nothing but it converts the first letter to uppercase. Here A is only uppercase. Next, title is nothing but it converts every letter, first letter of every word is converted into capital as shown here. Swap case is nothing but if we consider, if there are small lower cases, it is converted into upper cases, and upper cases are converted into lower cases. Let us work how it works. Let us see. Here on all is well, all are small letters, so they all small letters are converted into upper cases. Next, title, okay, completed. The all is swap is completed, and starts with is another inbuilt function which works like it checks prints a boolean value by checking the string starts with the given substring or not. Here we are giving substring a. Let us execute. It giving true. Since all is well starts with the a, small a, it gives true. If we consider a other string like e, it will returns false. In this manner, the start with words, the ends with is nothing but the ending of the string should be in the form of the substring should be in the ending of the string, this substring. Let us execute this. It is printing true since substring is ll, it else well, it ends with well, and ll is the last two letters. If we consider any three or in this way, it is give a false. In this way ends with work. Let us, what is find? Find is nothing but it gives the index of the substring in this given string. Here find with is e, and the index is 8. Count is nothing but it will print how many times the given substring is repeated in the string. Let us, here we are giving L. Since L is repeated 4 times in the string, it will show 4. Say in the same way, if we want to replace any substring with another substring, replace function is used. The syntax is as follows, and let us print it. Here all is well, the E is changed to star. In this way replace works. And next is stripping. Stripping is network, it removes the extra spaces in before and after the substring. Let us let us see how it works. Initially it is okay with the spaces, but here no spaces. The spaces are removed with the help of strip. Next, coming to split. Split is nothing but it splits the given string into substrings and converts it into list. Based on the substring given in the split, it splits the following string. Since all is well having spaces, all has space and e space and well, the spaces are removed, and all the substrings are converted into list format. In this format, the split function works. Next, coming to jetfill. Jetfill is nothing but it fills zeros before the substring. If the substring length is more than the given number, let us print it. The all is well, the it is about 13 string, and remaining are replaced by remaining of the string is replaced by zeros. In this way jetfill works. Next, coming to join. If we give a list of strings, it will join all the strings into a single string based on the substring in between. How to print? Let us execute this. You will get an idea. Okay, here string 1 is all is well, string 2 string 2 is all is well, and string 3 is okay. The okay and all is well are combined with space. If we give a dash in between and re-execute is, it is these two strings are combined with a dash. In this way join works. Next, indexing. Indexing is nothing but it returns what is the index of particular substring of in the string. Here the index of L is 1. Thank you. The exercises, please practice the exercise given in the description. Thank you and happy learning.